Hello friends, myself Dr. Sunil Kumar, Assistant Professor Commerce, Government PG College of Sonbhat. I am here with relevant topic bureaucracy in business. Bureaucracy in business is a hierarchical organization or a company that operate by a set of predetermined rules. In a large business, there are typically several diverse functions that need to be performed by specialized sub-institutions that report up the management chain. A small business can operate under rules that managers create as they go along and do not necessarily need a written set of policies. A small number of employees can manage all of the necessary tasks without much diversification. However, once a small business grows to a certain size, its functioning will really increasingly on assigning responsibilities on formal basis to various employees. Additionally, a larger company will need to write rules that apply to every function. The business steps on from internal rules for compensation to external policies for deciding how to manage customer returns. A bureaucracy allows such a large business to create a set of rules. Bureaucratic organizations have an organizational chart for each department that responsibilities and functions. Bureaucracies also establish a protocol for decision makers. Business bureaucracies are typically made up of several layers of management. The chief executive officer or president is typically at the top of the organization. Vice president report to the CEO or president, and directors report to the vice president. Below the directors, employees report to supervisor who report to manager. We can recognize the business bureaucracy by four keys elements, which is a clear hierarchy. Business bureaucracy have a clear laid out chain command that is understood by every employee. Decision making power flow from the top of the organization, not unlike a wheel where each worker bee has its place below the queen bee. Each employee has a particular place in a business bureaucracy. Specialization. Each member of bureaucracy has a specific role from finance or accounting to sale or marketing. Each employee is aware of their role and develops expertise that is specific to their job. A division of labor. Each task is divided into the components parts in a bureaucracy. The specialization of roles reflects the division of labor. Different departments and individual employees contribute to various parts of the business overall task, where they are that is producing and selling a product or providing a services. A set of formal rules. A business bureaucracy have standard operating procedure to provide written guidance for each role within the hierarchy system. Written instructions provide job description for each employees as well as other rules with the business, such as the conditions of employment. The written regulations should be ensured that each employee understand their roles. Pros and cons of bureaucracy in business. In many forms, business bureaucracy can be a helpful tool that can be refined over time. Some common advantage of bureaucracy includes such like bureaucracy, centralized power. This allows each employees to have defined rules for their work. There is a measure of equality among employees at each level, which minimizes confusion about who is in charge of any given decision or outcome. Additionally, this form of organization encourages specialization by clearly defining each employee's role. This allows employees to develop expertise and knowledge in their area or specialization area while helping the business to become more efficient as well as in bureaucracy culture. Bureaucracies become more complex as the scale and complexity of an organization get larger to manage the increasingly complicity effectively. Bureaucracy promote impartiality and fairness. They provide mechanisms for resolving workplace disputes and opportunities tasks and help avoid the deputation of labor by promoting specialization. The rule established by bureaucracy discourage favorism and can protect employee from a supervisor who might otherwise exercise their direction unfairly. Bureaucracy protects employees. Its rule can help protect employees from workplace their safety zone, hazard and poor employment practices. When each employee is covered by the same clearly defined employment practices and rules, the system feels very fair for the employees. By doing so, bureaucracies in the recent era encourage a positive company culture, which can in turn increase employee satisfaction, productivity, and retention rates. Put simply, bureaucracies help make a business a better place of work. Bureaucracy help to create best practices by promoting such best practices in written rules and creating a corporate structure. Bureaucracy create predictable outcomes and save time and resources when they are appropriate followed. In addition, the benefits by the bureaucracy business can also present significant cons that can hinder employee output and create other problems. Bureaucratic rules and structures can be backward looking. Bureaucracy identifies SOP that worked well in the past but not necessarily ones that be work well in the future, or identify areas where processing might be improved by the top level management or bureaucracy determined process. Bureaucracy can hide transparency unless you are at top of the organization structure in a large business. You likely will not have access to senior decision making process. Even if you are in a supervisory role, this could mean that you are unaware of major decisions such as an upcoming merger or restructuring of the business. Bureaucracy tend to have extensive role for policies or rules and regulations. These can sometimes seem unless overly onerous or misguided. If you work at the larger company, your company handbook likely includes any useful policies, from office dress code to expected behavior and responsibilities. However, there are also likely a few policies that appear unnecessary or unfair conditions, such as simply changing process for requesting paid time off. Bureaucracy can minimize freedom. Bureaucracy process can restrict the ability that any individual employee has to act independently or make decisions without approval from above. Even it seemed like the right thing to do, an employee may not to be able to decide because they could face bureaucratic consequences such as repayment or renomination, or because the process of getting approval is too time consuming. Bureaucracy can sources of inefficiency. For example, implies a certain level might receive fixed salaries and benefits and work to complete the same task. While this makes the compensation scale more fair for everyone, it can make position without a near-term prospects for promotion feel like a dead end. Additionally, these inefficiencies can be difficult to alter. Even as the market evolves and business conditions change, a bureaucracy may struggle to stay updated. This can mean that efficient or efficiencies are further institutionalized over time. How to minimize unnecessary bureaucracy in business? Some pharma bureaucracy are helpful, if not vital, to organizing a business, while others can impede the works of an organization. Once you have identified which element of bureaucracy are useful and which are not, you can implement it, the following steps minimize unnecessary bureaucracy in our term or organization. Keep your goal in mind. Business bureaucracy can be inefficiency when employees become overload focused on process rather than result. Instead of focusing on completing procedure at the expenses of being productive, trying to find the shortest or most efficient route to achieving your goals. To make your priority clear, this can help you navigate bureaucracy at work while having meeting and completing paperwork may be part of your everyday task in the office. Your actual job priority is probably sometime else, whether what writing code, making sales, crunching number, tasks, so can avoiding doing bureaucratic functions at the expenses of your actual job. Eliminate unnecessary paperwork. Creating solutions can help you avoid traditionally paperwork, bureaucratic work. For example, instead of filling out the same information on different forms, you might create an automated way to store this information and insert it automatically into documentation process. Thinking creativity in a proper way can help you cut down on time doing tasks that are not particularly productive. Additionally, look for other routine process that could be streamlined or eliminated to you for your real work. Empower your employees. Management role can help cut out unnecessary bureaucracy by empowering their employees. Team can slow down their productivity if they have to wait for permission from their supervisor for every task. Instead, give your employees clear instructions, room to work, and the authority to make less critical decision independently. You can further facilitate your team's independence by looking for action-oriented people to hire. And out of them, one most important elements is reward your team. Praising team members for taking action is another way to keep them working productivity and avoid becoming mired in bureaucracy. Reward from simple praise to promotions and bonus can be distributed to employees who take the initiative and proactively work to streamline process. These rewards are a signal to your team and the company that you value action more than bureaucratic process at the expenses of productivity.